You know, when filming with your GoPro 13 in the dark, the video stabilization is falling apart. But it doesn't have to be that way. And in this video, I will tell you how to make the video stabilization great again. And it's not by adding more light that it gets better. Now, to get good video stabilization, the shutter speed needs to be 8 times higher than the FPS. Now the video stabilization is good again, but the video image is much darker, and that is purely because of the higher shutter speed. And since there is so little light let into the sensor, the GoPro will do what it can to brighten the video, with more noise as a side effect. Even if you add some external light in, the GoPro will push the ISO level up. But you can't have it all, can you? No, there is a clear trade-off you need to make if you want to have video, with good stabilization in the dark, with a GoPro 13. But for me, I'll take a dark but good stabilized video over a somewhat bright video with poor video stabilization.